Hi. So if you are a parent to a newborn baby, then this video is for you. Did you know that 1 to 2 babies out of 1,000 will have some kind of hearing impairment going into the future? And this increases even more, almost 1 to 2 in 100, if they have stayed in the intensive care for more than 48 hours. So when a child has any hearing impairment, it can significantly affect the child's development. And finding out early gives them a better chance of developing their language, speech, and communication skills. So please ask your pediatrician to prescribe a hearing test. It's a simple test, it's a painless test, and the reports are usually given as soon as it is done, almost on the same day. So please spread the awareness, follow the evidence, and stay healthy. Thank you.